guys, I just arrived to the Crown of Limenaria. They built it in 2005 from 35 students and local artists from Stuttgart. And the reason of this place is to let you relax and connect with the Mother Earth. And the view is just spectacular. It's just really special here. You can hear the sea, the wind, a little bit of the trees, some birds, and that's it. You can just connect with all of this. Check out the beach, which is just next to this. It's just a few hundred meters drive or walk. We have to go down a lot, and I hope the street won't get really bad. Here we are after a very steep slope. So this beach is called Metalia beach. They have the cafe named as Metalia. It looks like they are organizing this kind of fishing tours. Wow, huge waves. It's a small beach, as you can see. It looks like a really quiet spot. Let's get to the other side of the beach, which is, I think, the main site. I hope we won't get wet. The sand is really good here. This is perfect. You can also climb up this small bump here. Let's check it out. Alright, I'm gonna search for a beach which is more on the west side, so I can catch a nice sunset and maybe eat something there. So I think today I'm gonna visit just that last place, then I will get a sleep in my car. That will be exciting. And then tomorrow we will continue with a beach tour. And yeah. So, see you tomorrow.